All right, so this is my presentation on electric motors in aviation. First off, we'll be talking about electric motors and how they work. Electric motors are motors that convert electrical energy into mechanical energy using electromagnets. So an electromagnet is like a charged piece of metal that has a magnetic field. It uses AC and DC current to power these electromagnets, and they alternate which ones are powered, and it spins a shaft. So you see as the alternating current and the direct current are changed, it rotates this centerpiece. So when were electric motors invented and when were they first used? Electric motors were first invented in 1834 by Thomas Davenport, and they were first used in aircraft in 1883 by Gaston Tissandier. Got a picture of the first electric motor on the right and a drawing of the first electric-powered aircraft. Today, what aircraft use it? What altitude or speed is it used for? Today, mainly smaller aircraft or unmanned drones or model planes use it. You've probably seen some of these drones before. As for major aircraft, it's mostly prototype planes. You don't see any passenger electric-powered planes. Most of these aircraft are used for low-speed flight because electric motors have high torque, low speed. They're used for low altitude flight, and they do not really have a long range. An example of one of these electric planes, however, is the E-Caravan, or better known as the Cessna Grand Caravan. It has a 100-mile range, so as we said before, it is very short. It carries only 9 passengers. 2,000 pounds of the weight on the plane is batteries, and it uses a 750 horsepower electric motor. Again, these planes don't fly very fast, don't fly very high up, so 2,500-foot cruising altitude at only about 100 miles an hour. A passenger jet today would have you cruising at a little over 500 miles an hour for comparison, at about 37,000 feet. Ultralights and gliders. Some of these gliders have solar panels on the top to power their electric motors. They cruise at under 10,000 feet, around 70 to 100 miles an hour. And these ultralights, as you see in the bottom right, are only about 600 to 1,500 feet. And they have a top speed of roughly 60 miles an hour. These aren't really electric, but these are some of the eco-friendly flying options that people have been experimenting with. What other applications do electric motors have? Well, you've probably seen a lot before electric cars. You probably have electric fans all over your house, or any household appliance, really, like your dishwasher or your microwave. There are really electric motors being used all around you.